5 seconds to finish your presentation. So don't panic if you suffer from any kind of network issue. ஏதாவது நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளமோ திடீர்னு உங்களோட கனெக்ஷன் டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆனாலோ don't worry. You feel free to contact the support number given in case of any technical issue or other challenges that you face during the event. எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தாலும் you can feel free to call the support number, and the parent or the coordinator can call us and report their problem. You will be provided with the support number here. Host, could you please post our support number in the chat window?
It is posted, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Our support number is 9894265899. I repeat, 9894265899. So this is our support number. Parents and coordinators, kindly check the chat window for the support number. We have judges in the Zoom call to evaluate your wonderful presentation, children. We submit our warm welcome to all the judges who have accepted our invitation. Thank you, judges. Now, let me give the description and rules of the event. So the description goes like this. In this event, a familiar phrase or proverb, idiom, or a quotation will be given as a topic to the students. A few words to avoid will also be enlisted. He or she has to present a speech on the topic without using the words to avoid. The rules are: one participant will be permitted for the inter-school competition, and I congratulate you for being the chosen participant from your school. The speech has to be relevant to the topic. Dressing up based on the theme is optional. The background settings are not allowed. The duration is 1 minute. The targeted area of expertise are vocabulary, public speaking, persuasion, clarity. Your judging criteria go this way: clarity and relevance, gestures, voice modulation and intonation, grammar, and appeal. The participants are chosen based on their lot numbers. So lot number padi, the participants will be presenting their speeches. Judges, for your kind information, the participants will be presenting in the order of their lot numbers. I would like to convey my best wishes to all the participants online. Shall we start the event, host?
Yes, we shall.
Host, could you please bring us lot number 1 on Spotlight?
Okay, I shall do that. So I would also like to state that the question has already been given to the students. Maybe if the question is read out to everybody, that would add to the convenience of the audience. So what is the topic given to the students, and what are the words to be avoided by the students? Just give me a moment so that I can recite it to everybody. Let me take the question paper and read it out for the comfort of everyone so that listening becomes a joyous process for this event. Here I go. Just wait, children. Patience is a very good virtue when it comes to the online contest. Let me get you your question paper so that everybody listens to you with the right sense, in the right sense. Yes. The question, or maybe the topic that was given to our students is this: success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. The topic that has been given to the students is: success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. And the list of words to be avoided go this way: hard work, smart work, failure, pain, struggles, success, courage, endurance, and continue. I repeat, the words to be avoided are hard work, smart work, failure, pain, struggles, success, courage, endurance, and continue. So MC, please confirm this to me. I should be giving you the signals by 40 seconds, 50 seconds, and 1 minute. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Great. In that case, let me bring lot number 1 of Illuminate and Elucidate to the spotlight. Can you switch on your video? Lot number 1. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very nice. You're audible and visible.
Yes, sir.
Judges, I believe you're ready. And MC, with your permission, I shall check my timers. Yes, everything is fine and perfect. Lot number 1, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. In that case, your time starts now.
Greetings, everyone. Today I'm going to share a big idea about achievement and flow. When we discover something new, we may flow, but we should not take that as a big issue. And when we move forward towards victory, certainly achievement will come towards us. So I will tell a short story. One day there was a dog with its puppy, so when they were playing near a small well, the puppy fell into the well. The dog tried to lift its puppy, but again and again the dog was losing. But after a long time, it is able to lift its puppy. If you take Albert Einstein, he was flogged 99 times and achieved at 100th time. So friends, winning is not final and losing is not fatal. It is the dareness to carry on with that counts. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You were visible and audible all through your speech, my dear. I really want to appreciate each one of you. As a moderator, I couldn't do it, and I shouldn't be doing that because it would mislead the judgment of the judges. Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 1.
May I bring lot number 2 to the stage?
If you have any kind of network issue, we'll wait for some time and we'll get back to you.
Yes, I have gotten back. Thank you so much. Yes, there was a technical glitch. No panicking. It's all fine. Great. So I should be moving lot number 1 to the attendees room. Yes, it is done. And I should be bringing lot number 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, lot number 2 has been promoted to be a panelist now. Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
You are audible, my dear. You're audible and visible. Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Perfect.
Yes.
So judges, I believe you're ready. That is lot number 2 for you on the screen. Lot number 2, your time starts now.
After resilience and perseverance, it is a goal, a vision, and a commitment for furthering your aspires and goal. Victory demands diligence and patience. It is not granted overnight, as we all know that every student at school aims and aspire to make a victory in life. Their dream is to make victory in life, as we all have certain objectives and aims of life to achieve in order to make a victory in life. Victory kisses the feet of those who are diligent. Victory is not achieved in a day or night. It is rather a long, steady process of diligence and commitment. Being diligent will make you will make you to go to the victory. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear. Your video and audio is very clear. Thank you so much. Judges, it's your time to mark your ballot for lot number 2. Meanwhile, let us try bringing lot number 3 on spotlight, sir. Could you please do it?
Done. Okay, can you say good afternoon, my dear? Can you unmute your end? Can you please unmute your end? Say good afternoon now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Perfect. You're audible and visible. Judges, please note down this is lot number 3 for you on the screen. Lot number 3, your time starts now.
Marvelous afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. My lot number is 3. I am here to present your speech on victory is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the continue to count that. Yes, my friends, life is all about ups and downs. Sometimes we get victory. Sometimes we get failure. It doesn't mean that worthless. We need to thank you.
Thank you, dear. There is no technical issue in your video or audio. Thank you so much. Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 3. Host, could you please promote lot number 4 as a panelist now?
Just a moment. On the way. Lot number 4. Can you switch on your video and audio? Can you say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
Perfect. Your audio and video are clear. Judges, note down this is lot number 4 on the screen. Lot number 4, your time starts now.
Greetings everyone. Once Nokia was the hot selling product, but they could not maintain their feed. So victory is not final. What could be done to maintain a victorious feed? We have to invent new strategies to beat others. Once Robert Bruce, the King of Scotland, was lost in a battle. He sought shelter in a cave. He felt much depressed. At that time, he got motivated by a spider. When the spider tried to reach its web, the thread broke. It fell down again and again. It never deterred. After so many trials, it reached its goal. Bruce had learned to be perseverant. He mustered all his energy and defeated the enemy. We must be brave enough to fight against obstacles, and we must be tolerant enough to bear our worries. Let's prolong the journey of our life effectively and efficiently. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear. You did not have any kind of network issue. Your video and audio is clear. Thank you so much. So meanwhile, judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 4. Host, could you please promote lot number 5 as a panelist now?
Done already, ma'am. On the way.
Thank you, sir.
Lot number 5, can you check your audio and video? Lot number 5, can you switch on your video and audio? You are audible, ma'am. We can hear you.
Shall I start, sir?
Okay, you are audible. Can you please give me a moment, my dear? You are audible and you are visible. Judges, please note down. Very nice. Judges, please note down. That's lot number 5 for you. Just a second. Okay, lot number 5. Your time starts now.
It's okay to not to be okay. Fantastic afternoon, everyone. Let me begin my talk with a quote quoted by Mr. Winston Churchill. No one can achieve their goal without knowing the catastrophe in the process. The people whom we see as role models or failed many times and now are victorious. So when a reporter asked Edison how many times did he fail, he said 1,000. And how was it to fail 1,000 times? The question was. His reply was awesome. That was, I didn't fail 1,000 times. The bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. Winston Churchill, who failed in his grade 6 and was Winston Churchill, who failed in grade 6 and was defeated several times during the elections, got the right to be a prime minister at the ripe old age of 62. Actually, losing gives us a power to create something new and it gives us motivation to do everything better. So friends, I would like to conclude my talk by saying that opportunities don't happen. You need to create it by your own. Thank you. Shake it off, friends. This is Laya Shri signing off. Bye-bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear. You were audible and visible throughout your presentation. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 5. Host, can we bring lot number 6 as a panelist now?
Yes. Lot number 6, please check your audio and video. Lot number 6, you have been moved to spotlight. Can you please switch on your audio and video? Lot number 6. Lot number 6, we are waiting for you to switch on your video and audio. Irkingla, lot number 6. Okay. MC, do I have the permission to bring in lot number 7 in that case?
Sure, sir. We'll proceed.
Okay, we shall bring in lot number 6 after a moment. So, lot number 6 is being made an attendee now. Okay, just a moment, sir. I made you as lot number 6 and I do not understand how you got back to you. Just a moment. MC, I have an information from the participant. Just a second. I am promoting you as a panelist, lot number 6. Lot number 6, now you may check it. Okay. Judges, please note down, this is lot number 6 in front of you. I repeat, judges, this is lot number 6 in front of you. My dear, can you say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
You are audible and clear. You are audible and clear. So...
Is his screen okay, sir?
Yes, it is okay, ma'am. Now I can see him, but I see it's moving. Can you please fix it somewhere? Yeah, here. Yeah. Fix it. Can you take your finger, ma'am? Your finger covers half the lens. Yeah, okay, now it's clear. It's clear, ma'am. Very clear. Lot number, are you ready? Lot number 6?
Yes, sir.
Good. In that case, lot number 6, your time starts now.
These motivating words of Winston Churchill will sure.
Okay, greetings.
Greetings all. These motivating words of Winston Churchill will sure push us forward in our uphill battle. Stepping stones are just another stepping stones to victory. We have to get up and get going, but many get trapped themselves in their agony. There is no one in the world who hasn't fought in the way to the top. Even the most famous inventors like Albert Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, and Wright brothers faced many obstacles. They fought wisely against all the obstacles and gave us their precious inventions. So friends, instead of worrying, we need to wisely figure out our mistakes and bounce back with great stamina and guts to reach our destination. Victory and loss are byproducts and are only temporary. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Your audio and video is clear. Thank you so much. So judges, it's your time to mark your ballots for lot number 6. Host, shall we bring lot number 7 to the spotlight?
We shall. Yes. Just a moment. Lot number 7. Can you say good afternoon?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very clear. You're audible and visible. Just a moment, judges, please be informed that this is lot number 7 on the screen for you. I believe everybody is ready. In that case, lot number 7. Your time starts now.
When we were little babies and first tried to sit or took our first wobbly step, did we succeed? No. Did we think it was the end? Never. We tried again and again until we accomplished what we thought was impossible. Then we ran, we played, we learned many more things. We cycling without a fall, swimming without a breathless drown. We grew a little bigger and welcome to the world of competitions. A math puzzle, I would solve it just like that. Art competition, I would show you the most beautiful and detailed drawings. English competition, I was blank. With some encouragement by my teacher, I joined Bus 0.8. And here I am putting on a brave face, and I have miles to go. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. You're audible and visible throughout your presentation. Thank you so much. Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 7. Host, shall we move lot number 8 as a panelist?
We shall. On the way. Lot number 8, can you switch on your video and audio?
Yes, sir.
Please. Can you say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
Perfect. Your audio and video are clear. Judges, please note down this is lot number 8 for you on the screen. So if everything is fine, if everyone is ready, lot number 8. Your time starts now.
Happy afternoon, everybody. The words after the end of the movie discuss the dramatization of Churchill's selection as the Prime Minister and the British strategic miracle of Dunkirk are obviously correct. Victory is not final. Falling down because of problems is not always fatal. If we wish to win something, we will surely face many ups and downs. It may give us hurt. My dear friends, our spirit is the part to face those ups and downs. Remember, life is beautiful, but never always easy. It has problems too. And the challenge lies in facing them with spirit, making the air bearable during the trying time by providing hope. When we practice cycling to ride on a bicycle, we would fall or we would be even wounded. If we thought that of these difficulties, we would never learn the art of riding. Becoming unsuccessful in something is not fatal. It's a stepping stone for victory. Those who accept these challenges and win are the ones who know to live life in its true sense. With this message, I'm signing off. Thank you. Have a jocund day.
Thank you, dear. You have had a clear presentation. Thank you so much. Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 8. It's lot number 8. Host, have we got any correspondence from lot number 9?
Yes, we did have. I believe lot number 9 has joined. Just a moment, I'll take another check. Okay, lot number 9, are you in? Ulla irukingana, can you give me a yes or hi in the chat window? Lot number 9. Lot number 9, I saw you, didn't I? Lot number 9. Eliminate and elucidate. Yeah, I see you. I see you. No problem. You may switch on your video and audio, lot number 9. Great. Can you say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
Perfect. I can see you. I can hear you. Judges, please note down this is lot number 9 on the screen. If everything is fine, lot number 9. Your time starts now.
Pleasant greetings to our wonderful delegates. Now I'm going to give a speech about the famous quote of Winston Churchill. Life is an unchaseable and unstoppable journey. Achievement and misstep are byproduct and temporary in nature. We have to keep on moving whether we face victory or misstep. When you lose, you know your weakness and how to overcome them. The knowledge gained from experience is far better than that gained from sources. Hence the famous proverb, experience is the best teacher. Let me give an example. Michael Jordan, the best basketball player, was dropped out of his high school basketball team, but he didn't give up and became the most iconic figure in basketball. Let us not give up and always walk towards the sunrise, even in times of darkness. Victory belongs to the most persevering, no matter how often you are defeated. You are born to victory. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, dear. Your audio and video is clear. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 9. Host, could you please promote lot number 10 as a panelist now?
I've done it. I've done it, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, lot number 10. Can you say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good. I can see you. I can hear you. It would be great if you stay the same. There is light behind you. My dear, can you try doing something? Can you come to this side and speak? Like, can you come to the opposite side of the light? Can you turn your camera 180 degrees? Is that possible? If not, I'm not obstructing you. Do you have a parent or coordinator near you? Ma'am, தம்பி வந்து லைட் அவருக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கு இல்லையா? சோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா கேமராவை அப்படியே 180 டிகிரி திரும்பி இந்த பக்கம் நின்று அவர் பேசினார்னா அவர் பிரைட்டா தெரிவாரு. ஆனா அது பாசிபிள் இல்லைன்னா பரவாயில்ல, இங்கே நின்று பேசலாம். இல்ல இது 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 இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தான் அதை பிரைட் ஆக்கி இருக்கு. அதாவது மேம் தம்பி வந்து இந்த பக்கம் வந்துட்டாருன்னா, அதாவது கேமரா வந்து அதாவது அந்த பின்னாடி இருக்கு இல்லையா ஒரு வால், அது பக்கமா தம்பி திரும்பி நின்று பேசினார்னா அவர் இன்னும் கிளியரா இருப்பாரு அப்படின்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஒண்ணு இல்ல மேம், வெரி சிம்பிள் பாயிண்ட். லாட் நம்பர் 10. சரி 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 ஓகே, நோ ப்ராப்ளம் மேம். மேம் அப்போ ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம், கடைசியா 2 லைட் ஆன் பண்ணீங்க இல்லையா, அதை மட்டும் அமர்த்திடுங்களேன். கடைசியா ஆன் பண்ண 2 லைட் அமர்த்திடலாமா? எஸ். Lot number 10, you feel comfortable, dear. I'll give you some time to relax. Think about your script.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Wait, dear. Judges, this is lot number 10. Everybody is ready? So, lot number 10, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Life is a yellow, daring adventure or nothing at all. Hell, killer. A positive mind will accept everything. Failure is needed to growth and development. Life and without a failure would be dull and boring. It is the spice and sparkle of the life. When there is a mismatch between the demand and resources available to meet such either you have to reduce your demand or increase your resources. When you could not balance your body and mind, react with the fight or flight response. Uncertainty over the outcome must be important. Fearless, move more, eat less, chew more. Useless. Imagine your goal, achieve it. Whatever happened, move on. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Your audio and video is clear.
Just a moment, MC, just a moment. Judges, I have received your specific comments. You have quoted to me that the voice was not audible. Did you listen to the entire presentation? Do you still want to say that the video has to be sent to us? Judges, please tell me yes or no. Do you want the student to send his video record to us? Yes or no? Okay. All right. I have received yes from one judge. So that simply means, madam, na pesradhu kekudha ma'am, lot number 10. Lot number 10. ஒண்ணு இல்ல மேம், உங்களுக்கு இப்போ ஒரு கால் வரும் மேம். இல்லைன்னா நான் ஒண்ணு செய்யறேன், சாட் விண்டோல ஒரு நம்பர் கொடுக்குறேன், அந்த நம்பருக்கு பேசுங்க, இந்த நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. He did so well. ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணாங்க. சோ அது ஜட்ஜஸ்க்கு போய் சேரணும், அந்த வாய்ஸோட போகணுங்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பண்றோம். அவருடைய ஸ்பீச்சை இதே இடத்துல நின்று பேசி ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி நான் சொல்ற நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிடுங்க மேம். அந்த நம்பர் உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்பிளே ஆயிடுச்சு, நீங்க சாட் விண்டோல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் a moment. 9894265899 வந்திருக்கும். இந்நேரம் சாட் விண்டோல வந்திருக்கும். இந்த நம்பரை சேவ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தம்பியை இப்பவே பேச வச்சு அவங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிடுங்க. நோ ப்ராப்ளம். அவரோட வீடியோவும் ஜட்ஜஸ்க்கு போயிடும். கிளியரான ஆடியோவோட போயிடும். Thank you so much, ma'am. MC, do I have your permission to move him to the attendees room? Yes, let me do that. So I believe I should be bringing in lot number 11.
11, yes, sir.
Great. He's on his way. Lot number 10, just a moment. Yeah, he has moved. Lot number 11, yes. My dear, can you say good afternoon?
Good afternoon, sir.
Very nice. Your voice is clear. Your voice is clear and your audio is clear. Judges, please note down this is lot number 11. Lot number 11 in front of you. Lot number 11, your time starts now.
Dear friends, life is an unstoppable journey. Gaining and losing are by product and temporary in nature. When you meet with triumph and disaster, treat those two imposes just the same. When you winners or not be winners forever, unless they want to stay that way. Most of the people think that achievement is our life, but without loss there won't be a victory to you. Bravery is getting up after a fall, and yes, dear friends, every win is a celebration, but not only win. If you fail, try again, fail better, but never. This is I learned from the famous quote of Winston Churchill. Have a pleasant day. Bye.
Thank you, dear. You're audible and visible throughout your speech. Thank you so much. Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 11.
And I would like to stress this point. Lot number 10, I believe you have made a call to the support number given. Lot number 10, support number ku call pandringa na nenikren. Please give your video to them. Okay.
How shall we bring lot number 12 as a panelist now?
Let's do that. Just a second. Yes, lot number 12 has been promoted. Lot number 12, can you switch on your video and audio? Lot number 12, can you switch on your video and audio? Great.
Yeah.
Can you say good afternoon, my dear?
Good afternoon, sir.
Very nice. You are very much audible and visible. Judges, please note down this is lot number 12 for you on the screen. If everything is fine, lot number 12, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. This famous quotation was given by Winston Churchill. Victory is a beautiful feeling. Nothing comes close to the sense of accomplishment of your victory. Testament to your efforts and the glory in achieving them. Defeat is a normal occurrence When your goals are true and worth them, challenge defeat is a good testing point. Defeat is not fatal, it has some lessons in it. Make sure you use it well. In the end, it is not the number of defeats or victories that count. It is the bravery with which you followed your heart. Example, Albert inserted. When his childhood age, he did not start speaking, but he went on to win a Nobel Prize. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. That was a clear presentation. There was no technical issue in your presentation. Thank you so much. Judges, it's your time to mark the ballot for lot number 12.
I get to understand that we don't have 12 and 13, so I'm getting in 14. Am I right?
13. Yes, sir. There is no lot number 13.
Yeah, we don't have 12 as. Okay, we have 12. I'm sorry.
12. Just now 12 has spoken.
Oh, 12 just now spoke. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the confusion. So do I get into lot number 14 now?
Yes, sir.
Great. I'm sorry. Get me a moment. Yes. One minute. No problem. That was an accident which has been corrected. Lot number 8 will now move. Okay, lot number 14, you are clear. Can you say good afternoon, my dear?
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, your voice is clear. Have you fixed a laptop or something there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. My dear, there is a light behind you. Is that the only light in that room?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a possibility for you to move that laptop?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. So, judges, this is lot number 14 for you. And just give me a moment till I set my timer cards and clock in place.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we are all ready. So, judges, it is lot number 14 for you. Lot number 14, your time starts now.
Greeting, everyone. I'm happy to stand here to give a speech about success is not final, failure is not factual. It is the courage to continue the count. However, what departs the good from mistake without losing the heart? It is the temporary mistake is determined from time to time. It is a stimulus as to learn, grow, and develop as an individual. We are going to go thought life making blunders. Let us not be a type of a person who remains walking towards the sunrise even in a time of darkness. If we are able to learn from the mistake and continue the stripes into damage. Speech. Thank you and have a nice day to all.
Thank you, dear. At the end of your presentation, I couldn't hear something. Host, is it audible for you?
No, it was not audible for me. Lot number 14, do you have your parent nearby?
No, sir.
Okay, can you record a video and send it to us? Is that possible for you? 14? Lot number 14, can you hear me?
Sir, did you hear me?
No, I just hear you. I couldn't hear you before. Can you record a video in your mobile and send it to the WhatsApp number I give you, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Will there be someone to help you in your house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in that. Okay. Okay, now I'm sending you a number on the screen. Just tell me if you can see that. Look at the chat window. Have you seen that number?
Yes, sir.
989426589. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So we were able to hear 80% of your speech. The remaining part was not heard. So please take a video recording of your own presentation and send it to this WhatsApp number. Your video will be forwarded to all the judges. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Sir, have we left out with any other lot numbers?
Yes, I believe lot number 6 was put to wait. Just a moment.
Okay.
Lot number 6 was put on hold for some reason. Like we connected the person, but then the person was not responding. So let us try bringing in lot number 6 once again. Lot number 6. Lot number 6, are you here? Lot number 6 irkingla. Edavadhu name la irkingla? Ulla. Eliminate and elucidate. Lot number 6, I'm looking for you. Are you in any other name? Just give me a hi in the chat window. I'll be able to spot you. Okay. I don't think we have the person here. No problem. I would request the support team to report this to this respective school. Lot number 6, 1 second. There is another name in which I can look for this person. Let me check that once. Okay, this will be sorted out. Thank you so much. So in that case, Muthu Sharmila, you can go ahead with your closing remarks. We'll deal with it offline. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, students, for your unfathomable efforts you put forth. We have thoroughly enjoyed all your speeches. The results will be announced in the upcoming session of the valediction. Let us stay connected. Until then, let us ruminate the wonderful speeches of our lovely students. I also present my words of gratitude to the school managements, principals, school coordinators, and of course, parents for your valuable support for making this event a memorable one. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, sir.
Just a moment. Please stay. I have received a message stating that there is nobody to support lot number 14 in her house. So with the permission of the MC, shall I connect her again so that she takes another chance to speak?
Yes, sir.
Lot number 14, I am bringing you to limelight again. Just a moment. Lot number 14, I'm going to connect you again. Are you here? Eliminate and elucidate. Lot number 14. Just a minute. Ranganayaki ma'am, I don't find lot number 14 in the screen now. Lot number 14, can you give me a hi? Lot number 14, eliminate and elucidate. Okay. Most of the participants have left. So, Ranganayaki ma'am, I'll give you an option. Now the time is 1:45. Will it be okay if the child is given the time till 2:30? Can you take time till 2:30? If you can give me a yes. Okay, she's taking the video. All right, I've got an information that she is preparing the video. Thank you so much, MC. I think we are good to close here. Thank you so much, everyone.